Hello everyone, welcome to my Creative Scratch family. Hope you are doing well and enjoying my tutorial videos as well. Recently, I have bought soft pastels from Camel brand and looking forward to use it. So, this is my unboxing video and the first impression which I want to share with you all. So, this is the Camel soft pastels, artist quality, and it contains 36 shades. The backside of the box is printed with the each and every color name, and this is the pricing of this box. I think you can see this is around 350, but I have bought it from nearest local shop and got it for 300. So let's start the unboxing. The white color is already broken, but thank God the other colors are fine. All of these colors, I think, highly pigmented and well saturated. You can see the color shades as well. These are very chalky type of colors, and I think you all have noticed that some of colors got stuck into my fingers. Let's apply these colors on paper and check how it works. Here I have taken a piece of normal art paper or normal cartridge paper which I have bought from my nearest shop. This paper costs around rupees 8 for one sheet, and I generally cut it into 4 pieces and use it as per my choice. Let's start with the red color. This is very powdery type of texture it has, and easily got stuck into my fingers. You can see it as well. And the main thing is it blends very easily with fingers. You don't need to use any blending stumps or tissue paper or cotton cloths to blend it well. Let's try to blend two colors, red and orange. I'm applying these colors one by one, and now I'm trying to blend it with my fingers. Wow, it really blends very easily, and you can see the outcome. Let's apply it with little bit more pressure. Yes, more pressure will not perfect for these colors because it will break for sure if you apply more pressure on it. So, and you can see it's really nice to blend with previous colors, and it gives a proper finishing. Let's apply some yellow on this. Apply some pressure with your fingers when you are blending this, but these colors have chalky type of texture and easily breaks down, so handle with care while you are applying this and while you are using it in your artworks. And the next thing which I have observed, that it's more easy to blend soft pastels than oil pastels, and it gives a nice matte texture. But for the beginners, I suggest first set your skill in oil pastels, then move forward to it. I will upload a video on the basic differences between oil pastels and soft pastels. I'm looking forward to use these colors in my upcoming artworks, and I will definitely share with you all. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and get updated about many more upcoming videos.